Hey there! What are today's messages? Let's pick a chakra card and see what we get. Third chakra, solar plexus, self-worth and self-esteem. I honor myself by doing things that please me, not only those that please others. I am empowered as I release the need to live up to people's unrealistic expectations of me. When I respect and approve of myself, others will naturally do the same. I teach others how to treat and respect me by how I treat and respect myself. I know I am worthy of love and respect. The boundaries I create with others acknowledge my self-worth. Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? My dad made this bowl. Let's pick red. Ignore the opinions of others. It's your life. It's your happiness. And your happiness keeps you healthy. Never measure your life by possessions. Measure it by the hearts you've touched, the smiles you created, and the love you shared. The real flex is healing yourself without becoming like those who traumatized you. Look back and you'll see that every challenge was a stepping stone to where you've meant to be. You're meant to be. I hope we all get to be with someone who is a home and an adventure. A soul who calms you and drives you wild. Oh yeah. How to tell if someone is genuinely interested in you. If you removed all of your effort from the equation, would any communication remain between you? If not, there's nothing there, and you deserve better. Exercise strengthens our memory and makes us sharper, happier, and more resilient. Studies show that exercise is a better antidepressant than Prozac. And the last one today. Start to reflect on every choice you make. Does this choice serve who I am becoming? Does this make me emotionally healthy? Does this allow me to sleep well at night? Or will the shame around this choice weigh on me? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.